Kyle says flash freezing will impact driving conditions. He's advising people to avoid the roads today and tomorrow if possible, as weather conditions will be poor. WestJet has canceled all flights arriving and departing from Pearson International Airport. The service suspension will affect other Ontario and Quebec airports, as well as the region of Waterloo International Airport. Transit users, bundle up if you're heading out to a stop, but also before you go, check out your transit users' alerts to make sure that transit is running. Kitchener Go is on a special schedule today. The storm is impacting train and bus service. As a result, there will be no early homebound service, Go says, and they're running on a special schedule, including significant service changes. And Go suggests travelers as well visit their schedules for modified trip times. There's been a number of cancellations, including at school. The Waterloo Region District School Board, Catholic school boards will be closed today. French Catholic school in the region as well. Schools are closed in the Avon-Maitland District School Board, Upper Grand District School Board, and Wellington Catholic District Board. They were already scheduled to be closed today. All before and after school programs and child care centers co-located in schools will be closed as well. Universities of Waterloo, Laurier, Guelph, and Conestoga College are closed today. The region of Waterloo has closed library branches and museums. Waste service at the Waterloo transfer station is closed. The Cambridge one's open, though. The region says it's opening more shelter beds and will also connect people to available